Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most underrated but powerful string handling function in SAS, the compel function. Have you ever struggled with messy strings full of multiple spaces? Need to clean up inconsistent data before analysis? The compel function is designed exactly for that. It compresses multiple blanks into a single space, helping you standardize your text data with ease. So let's get started and understand this function in detail. Compile function, which is also known as the compress blanks, can replace multiple blanks in a single blank. We can use this function to replace all occurrences of two or more blanks with a single blank character. If the length is not being previously signed, the length of the resulting variable will be the length of the argument. The syntax of the compile function is very simple. We just need to mention the character value in brackets after the compile function. Now let's see some examples on how to use the compile function in SAS to remove the multiple blanks to a single blank. So right now I'm showing you one data step where the original value I'm providing is SAS is fun, but it is having multiple blank spaces between SAS is and fun. So I want to clean this original value that I want to remove the multiple occurrence of blank to single blank. So what I have done is I have created another variable which is the cleaned variable where I have applied the compile function, and the resultant data will be like this. So you can see from the resultant example 1 dataset that the original value was having multiple spaces inside the string, which is now cleaned to have only one blank space. Similarly, if you go look into this another example where I have uh, data using the data line statements, I have a full name being inputted in my names dataset. And if you see from the data lines, the full name is having many multiple blank spaces in the name. So to clean this type of data and to get the full name having only one blank spaces between the first and the last name, I'm using the compile function on the full name variable. So after applying the compile function, the resultant dataset will have the clean underscore name variables where the full name will have only single blank between the first name and the last name. So in this way, if you want to clean the data, or you are dealing with a string where there are multiple blank spaces and you want to remove the blank spaces, multiple blank spaces with single blank, then the compile function is the best function to use for that purpose. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Let me know in comments if you want me to cover any specific topic.